Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make EIN in Gacha Club. First, navigate to the hair section in your character creator. Select hair number 112 for the front and hair 77 for the back, which perfectly captures his distinct style. Apply color 8 for the main hair and color 10 for the highlights, giving him that recognizable shade. Finish by adding no hair accessories to keep his look clean and simple. Next, let's focus on EIN's expressive facial features. Go to the eye section and pick eye number 18 for that determined and slightly narrowed appearance. For the eyebrows, choose number 23, positioning them to convey a serious expression. Select mouth number 12 to represent his typical quiet demeanor. Ensure no face accessories are added, maintaining his iconic, uncluttered look. Now let's dress EIN in his classic attire. For the shirt, choose top number 76 and color it with shade 9. Pair this with bottom number 53 using color 11 for the pants. Select jacket number 81 for his outer layer, also colored with shade 9, providing that consistent tactical appearance. Don't forget glove number 7, set to color 8, and shoe number 15 using color 6 for a complete ensemble. Finally, perfect EIN with these essential finishing touches. Set his skin tone to color 1, which is standard for many characters. Adjust his height to slot number 3, representing an average adult stature within Gacha Club. Choose pose number 25 to give him a confident and ready stance. After carefully reviewing all the details, save your new character to proudly display your accurate recreation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.